What's that I hear? Ramadan is near. Let's get ready. Up in the hills, looking up at the stars. Where is the new moon? Alhamdulillah, I see it now. Bright and shiny. The month of mercy is now here. So exciting. Oh Allah, please accept our Ramadan. بلغنا رمضان. Fasting, praying, charity. بلغنا رمضان. Giving, patience, family. بلغنا رمضان. Gain taqwa and pray tarawih. بلغنا رمضان. Oh Allah, bring us to Ramadan. Helping those in need. Give lots of charity. Remember that my Lord, He loves and sees me. Intend to fast for Allah, the one we worship. Fasting is for Ar-Rahim, and He will reward it. Oh Allah, please accept our good deeds. بلغنا رمضان. Fasting, praying, charity. بلغنا رمضان. Giving, patience, family. بلغنا رمضان. Gain taqwa and pray tarawih. بلغنا رمضان. Oh Allah, bring us to Ramadan. Preparing our iftar as a family, sharing the blessings with the ones in need. Complete good deeds for the day. Feel so thankful. The time of Maghrib is now here. Dua is accepted. Oh Allah, please accept our song. Getting close to Ar-Rahman, reciting Al-Quran, the words of our Lord revealed in Ramadan. Stand salam, make lots of dua for my ummah, searching for the night of power better than 1,000 months. Oh Allah, please accept our ibadah. بلغنا رمضان. Fasting, praying, charity. بلغنا رمضان. Giving, patience, family. بلغنا رمضان. Gain taqwa and pray tarawih. بلغنا رمضان. Oh Allah, bring us to Ramadan.